Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix stuttering issues in Arc Raiders with a few simple steps. First, let's adjust your graphics settings. High graphics settings can overload your system, especially your VRAM. Open the game settings and lower the texture quality to medium or low. Then, look for heavy effects like ray tracing and turn them off. These features look good, but they can cause serious performance drops. Also, reduce shadow quality and post-processing effects if needed. After applying these changes, restart the game and check if the stuttering improves. Next, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of lag and stuttering. Go to the official website of your graphics card provider, such as Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest game-ready or equivalent drivers for your GPU. Once installed, restart your computer to make sure the changes take effect. Finally, verify your game files through Steam. Sometimes, corrupted or missing files can cause performance issues. Open Steam and go to your game library. Right-click on Arc Raiders, then click Properties. Go to Installed Files and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and fix any broken files automatically. After completing these steps, launch the game again. Thanks for watching.